Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Namaste. Hello. Back to my YouTube channel, Satria Mulya Pataudi. I'm so excited to have you in here. Okay. So today our topic is about my international movie. The title is Moonrise Over Egypt. Wow. I cannot imagine that it has a release on two international applications special for international movie. The name is iFlix and WTV or WeTV. So iFlix is from Kuala Lumpur and WTV is from Southeast Asian. So these two stations always share about a Korean movie, Indonesian movie, Philippine, Thailand, and all of movies are from Southeast ASEAN, and I'm so excited. That means that my movie is a level with Korean, with Philippines and Thailand, Malaysia, all of them. And yeah, it has released on 70 countries in Indonesia, Australia, Riyadh, Arab Saudi, China Festival, Berlin Festival, etc. etc. So don't forget the title is Moonrise Over Egypt. You can type the title in Google. Okay. So yeah, it took shooting location in Egypt and Abu Dhabi, even in Africa. So I went to Abu Dhabi, Egypt, Africa on 2017. 2017, and it has released on all of theaters in our country. 70 big screen, 70 theaters, and so many people watch me because of it's about many hero from our country. So you have to watch this. I am as one of main talents, the Ministry of Religion, Muhammad Rashidi. So yeah, it's a very exciting, it's a very special achievement for me. So if you want to watch this movie, you have to follow this way. This is from WETV. Bagi kalian yang mau nonton film Moonrise Over Egypt di stasiun TV aplikasi film lainnya seperti WeTV, kalian bisa lihat di iPhone, iPad, atau di Android. Caranya gampang banget, kalian tinggal download gratis di aplikasi store-nya. Mungkin kalian udah tahu, kita langsung aja di sini di searching, ya kan, WeTV. Nah, nanti kalau misalnya kalian sudah masuk ke WeTV akan jadi seperti ini. Ini dia WeTV. Kemudian diklik. Nah, nanti di bagian searching kalian bisa ketik judul filmnya, yaitu Moonrise Over Egypt. Tinggal cari, ketik di searching, kemudian muncul ini, tinggal diklik covernya. Tinggal loading. Nah, kalian bisa langsung nonton filmnya di sini. Bisa juga diperbesar. Selamat menonton, guys. Okay, that's the first station. Now we go to the second station. The name is iFlix. I think everybody in Indonesia know about iFlix, especially if you like to watch Korean movie. And you can search iFlix in smart TV, internet TV, especially in IndiHome. Yeah, I use IndiHome in my home. So you can type iFlix and you can type Moonrise Over Egypt and you can follow this way. Bagi Anda yang mau menonton film Moonrise Over Egypt di iFlix, caranya gampang banget. Jadi bagi Anda yang di rumah pakai internet IndiHome, Smart TV, tinggal lihat tampilan seperti ini. kemudian cari tulisannya aplikasi. Kemudian nanti di aplikasi akan ada seperti ini, ada tanda plus, plus, plus. Nah, apabila ada tulisan iFlix di sini, Anda langsung klik aja. Tapi apabila tidak ada tulisan iFlix di sini, Anda klik tanda plus seperti ini, diklik, nanti akan ketemu iFlix atau diketik iFlix-nya atau ke aplikasi saya. Di aplikasi saya, klik iFlix. iFlix ini adalah stasiun TV internasional punya Kuala Lumpur, tayang di se-Asia Tenggara. Nah, sudah lihat tampilan seperti ini, kemudian cari di searching. Di searching, Anda bisa ketik judul filmnya, Moonrise over Egypt. Nah, langsung keluar. Ini dia filmnya, tinggal diklik. Nah, ini dia filmnya. Kemudian, nah ini ada Satria Mulia sebagai salah satu pemeran utamanya. Mainkan sekarang Moonrise over Egypt, Raffi Ahmad Picture. Selamat menonton guys. Okay guys, okay, happy watching. Thank you. Yeah, everybody always ask me, Satria, you have a 60 titles for a movie, but why you always promote this only movie, Moonrise over Egypt? Why? Yeah, cause of this is special achievement for me. This is a different with another achievement. Of course, I had been a main talent in Trans 7 5 title and second talent in SCTV 50 titles, and as a main talent also in all station in Indonesia, but for advertisement. And I'm as a main talent in MNC TV. The title is Rara dan Prilongli. So you can type my name, Satria Mulia Rara dan Prilongli. Google can explain to you that I'm a main talent, a very important talent in a part of Sinetron. And second talent in Tendangan Simadun, Centini. I forgot so many. So you can type my name, Satria Mulia, in Google. Maybe if people watch FTV from 2013 until 2018, my face is familiar for them. But if you are bocil, so you never watch me. Maybe I don't know. I don't care. But Google can be a liar, right? If I had a Wikipedia, so it's a very right. Okay, not hello. Okay. So why Moonrise over Egypt is a very special to me. I never show my showing in television more and more. But as I tell you that you can search my name, Satria Mulia, and you can read my Wikipedia. In my Wikipedia, so many achievements who I got that. Okay, and Moonrise over Egypt is a very difficult something who I had gotten that because of I have to do casting with many rivals, many stars in Indonesia, but I could get that, and it was excited to me because of that's my first movie for big screen, for theater. Because of as usual, I only can be star in television, so it's a very excited and it's very special to me. So I couldn't imagine that the casting director called me when I did shooting in Cibubur as a talent to a Sinetron. The title is Rara dan Prilongli. You can type the title in Google. And Satria, you can come here. Where? Yeah, I'm shooting with Luna Maya and Herjunot Ali. He said to me like that. Satria, you can come at PIK. What for? For casting. I need your character in my next movie. This is about a hero. This is about Colossal. This is about a biopic. Okay. I will come there. But after I finish my shooting for Rara dan Prilongli. So from Cibubur, I came to Pantai Indah Kapuk, and I'm so shocked. The casting director give the script to me, and I'm a I'm a second talent definitely, but when I did casting, producer, director, and casting director asked me as a main talent, and I'm so shocked. Are you sure? I'm nervous. So I think, yeah. You can try. Satra, you can do it. Okay. So they asked me to make my skin darkly, my body to be so thin, and my face had to be old, like 36 years old. So yeah, it's a hard struggling. Okay. And in Ramadan, I did fasting, but I have to tame my body under the hot sun at Ancol, without t-shirt, without trouser, anything. I throw all of them, and yeah, it made me tired, but yeah, it's okay. It's a miracle in Ramadan, and after that, I could be entering in that character, and everybody praised me because of my skin is a very candela. It's a very white, but I had to be a skinny, dark skin, and yeah, okay, it's okay. So, and when I was success being a Rashidi, I did acting totally. After I did shooting 20 days in Depok in Jakarta, I went to Abu Dhabi, Africa, Egypt with my team for shooting. And yeah, it's a very something special to me. That's why I have to share about Moonrise over Egypt more and more, because of it's a very something special to me. Um, Moreover, you can watch me in iFlix and WTV. It's a very difficult to be entering in that international application, right? And I think it's something special. Like I cannot forget them. It makes me to share about it to you all guys more and more. So yeah, thank you for Anies Baswedan, Sandiaga Uno, Mahfud MD appreciated my movie. They came at theater and watched my movie, and it had released on Malaysia Airlines, Garuda Airlines also. So yeah, I'm speechless. It's a very something special. So I will say about that. To my wife, to my children, to my family, to my partners, netizen, haters, likers, children, yeah, all of them. So thank you so much for having me in here. Don't forget my special movie. The title is Moonrise over Egypt in international application, WeTV and iFlix. Okay, I had told you, right, this is something special to me, so I was never boring to share that, and I hope that you can appreciate that, and please don't vote on me, okay? Thank you so much, Satria Mulya Pataudi. And don't forget, watch my movie at WeTV and iFlix, Moonrise Overage. Okay? Thank you. If you like this YouTube, please like, subscribe, and comment at me. And for your all haters, I don't care if you judge me negativity, but I love you so much. How much you hate me, how much you treat me negativity, how much you scold me, I uh, I was never sad because of I always be happy person. That's why my face was always be young even in my 32 years old. Okay, so I think see you, and don't forget watch my movie Moonrise Overrated. Thank you.